Good afternoon.
Checking in for Sarah Johnson.
Let me pull that up. Yep, I found your reservation. You're checking out on Sunday, right?
That's right.
Perfect. Just so you know, check-in starts at 3.
Any chance my room's ready yet?
It is, actually. We can get you in now for an early check-in fee of $25.
How long until regular check-in?
About 40 minutes.
Yeah, I think I'll just wait.
No problem.
Can I leave my bags here?
Absolutely, we can hold them until you're ready to check in.
Thanks. I was thinking of grabbing a coffee.
If you haven't had lunch yet, there's a really good Italian place here in the hotel. It's on the 2nd floor.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, they make their pasta fresh every day and highly popular.
That sounds better than coffee, honestly.
I don't blame you.
All right, I'll check it out. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Oh, can I leave my bags here?
Absolutely, we can hold them until you're ready to check in.
Thanks. Hi again.
Welcome back. How was lunch?
Really good, actually. You were right about the pasta.
Glad to hear it.
So, I guess it's time to officially check in.
It is. Can I see your ID, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. And I'll just need a credit card for incidentals. Right.
No problem.
All right, you're all set. You're in room 503.
Thanks. That's on the 5th floor, right?
That's right.
Any chance you have something on a higher floor?
Let me take a look. You're in luck. We do have a room available on the 14th floor.
Really? I'd love that.
Perfect. I've switched you to room 1428.
Awesome. Thanks so much.
You're welcome. Here are your room keys. Elevator's around the corner to your left.
Great. One more thing. How do I get on the Wi-Fi?
The network name and password are printed on the back of your keycard holder.
Oh, got it. Thanks.
My pleasure. Enjoy your stay.
Thanks.
Good morning.
Hi. I'd like to check out, please.
Certainly. May I have your room number?
Room 1428.
Thank you. Just a moment while I pull up your account. How was your stay?
It was wonderful. And thanks again for moving me to a room on a higher floor.
I'm glad we could make that happen. All right, I have one restaurant charge from Friday evening for $68.50.
That's right.
I also see a $15 charge for the replacement room key.
Oh, right. I lost my key on the 2nd day.
No problem. Your total comes to $83.50. Would you like to use the card we have on file?
Yes, that's fine.
Perfect. All set. Would you like a printed receipt or an email receipt?
An email, please.
Of course. I'll send it to the email address we have on file.
Perfect. Thanks. By the way, what's the best way to get to the airport?
A taxi is probably the easiest option.
About how long does it take?
Around 40 minutes, depending on traffic.
It looks like it's about to rain.
Yeah, it does. Would you like me to call a taxi for you?
Yes, please.
Certainly. Just a moment. It'll be here in about 5 minutes.
Thank you.
My pleasure. We hope you enjoyed your stay.
I did. Thanks for everything.
Have a safe trip home.
Don't worry if it feels a little fast at first. Listen to it several times and you'll gradually get used to the speed. See you in the next lesson.